You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of these territory or territory. If you want to learn more how to say this correctly, stay tuned on island territory of the US in Micronesia. It's pronounced simply the English pronunciation, also used locally. How to pronounce Guam. British English and American English pronunciations are similar here. Guam, okay, it's not Gam. Guam, it's easy. Once you know, and now Guam, you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.